extruding. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we can extrude the lines or even the simple shape. Like for example, I'm gonna extrude the boxes, right? So for example, excuse me, rectangle. So I'm gonna type rectangle, command verb rectangle, and is this first corner of a rectangle, right? So I'm gonna pick the first corner of the rectangle and then drag out the base shape of this rectangle, and then give it, like for example I'm going to give it length and width, right? So I'm going to give like 30 feet length and 40 feet width, and this is my rectangle. Okay. uh, Imagine I'm gonna create a wall, right? So for I'm gonna give it a thickness, right? So I'm gonna like type offset and give it a thickness. That's a wall, right? So if I want to extrude this to shape, right? So as a wall, so I have to select both of them and then type extrude curve, not extrude surface. These are the, this is a square, right, that you created. So you have to extrude, pick the extrude curve because those are curves, right? So extrude curves and then press enter. And here you can give it like a height. So for example, 20 feet height, right? So you see that I extruded this curves as a whole, right? There's something like, for example, if you want to go to here, and you see that like here you see extrude straight, right? Extrude long curve, extrude curve, and so I'm gonna talk about this later. But first of all, like, I'm gonna show you this extrude straight. So for example, if I click on that. Okay, so it says here in comment bar, it says select curves to extrude, right? So select those and then hit enter. And first, let me show you. I'm gonna click like, for example, give it 60 feet uh, high, right? So okay, great. So you see that, like for example, we do have two. Here it says one open extrusion, right? So when I click on that, you see one open extrusion, added to to selection, right? So if I select both of them, it says two, right? Okay, so it means these extrude are not closed, right? These two surface are open, right? There's no cap, right? So I want to have and create a closed surface, right? Okay, so I'm gonna click that and go back again here and select extrude straight and hit enter, right? Okay, come here and you see this column, right? It says here when it's solid no, right? There's two options, right? Both side no and solid no. It means that there is no cap for this, right? That's why the extrusion is not closed, right? So if I hit on this and you see that solid is, yes, it's solid. I mean, it means like there's a cap on this extrusion, right? So and then you see that, for example, I'm gonna give it a height for 40 feet, and there you go. You see there's a cap for this extrusion, right? So you can try it and then see. If you have any questions, just you can let me know. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. So actually, you know what? I will show you one more thing. It's like uh, as we talked about these joined lines, and I want to explore these lines, okay? And then I want to extrude all those and type extrude curves. And then give it the highlighter again. And again, okay, perfect. You see that once you select all those, you see it create a solid wall for us, right? So I'm gonna go back again and select one of those, right? And extrude curve and give it like 30 feet. And you see it's just I extruded one line as a surface. It's open extrusion surface. You see that? Just be careful if you want to extrude the wall, solid wall. You have to select all those lines, or even you have to have the closed curves.